Today is Jeep Lift Day, so I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a before and after kind of look at this. We're going to take it over and drop it off, but I've got the tape measure out here, so I'm going to do just a couple of quick measurements so we can see how much of a lift we get when we're done. So first thing I'm going to do is measure right here, just from the lift. It's sitting on the lift, so the edge right there, up to the bottom of the step, if you will, and it looks like we're at about 14.5 inches. You guys can see right there, hopefully. About 14.5 inches there. And then we're going to go around to the back here and just check the back of the bumper on the, I guess, the passenger side edge. So let me go ahead and extend that out. Again, kind of a crude, rough measurement, but you can see we're right about 18 and a quarter, something like that. So we're going to measure it again once we get the lift and the tires and the wheels put on and see what kind of a difference we actually get. All right, here's a before look. Going to be changing out the wheels and the tires, so this is the stock look, if you will. Take a little walk around. Have the lovely gecko cover there on the back. And here is the look from the driver's side. And right here is the look of the Jeep from the front. And we have one more quick thing to show you here on the back. Krista has done another little mod to the Jeep, and that is the addition of the Canadian flag. I guess, is that the Canadian flag?
Yes, dear.
Okay. All right, well, we are off to the shop, and we'll see you when we're done. Okay, as you can see, it's starting to get dark, but I'm hoping it's still bright enough out here that you guys can actually see us. But we are heading off to pick up the Jeep now. It's about 6:14 at night. So they had it from, what, about 10 o'clock?
Yeah.
So about 8 hours. And granted, they have other things going on, so I didn't expect that it was going to go right in. But that's not too bad. So, we're going to pick it up. Are you excited?
Oh my God. I can't, wow. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yep.
You're excited?
I'm excited.
All right. Well, we're going to be there in a couple minutes, and hopefully it'll still be light enough out that we can show you tonight. But stay tuned. All right. We're here, and wow. That's a different Jeep.
That's just freaking
Hey, it's a G-rated channel now.
That is freaking awesome.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Looks awesome, man.
That's exactly what I had in mind.
Check out the stance on that now. Wow. Check that out. It's starting to look a little bit meaner, I think. Wow. Wow, that is cool. So do you like it?
Oh my God. I love it.
Wow, awesome. All right, we've got the Jeep back now. Everything is done. The lift is done. The tent is done. The new tires, or rather the new wheels, have my old tires on them. And it just looks freaking awesome. So let's take a look. You guys can see these are fuel wheels. I can't remember exactly what model they are.
D525, I think.
D525, Krista says. Does have some chrome in it. She seems to like that, so that's okay. Kind of has the old style round cutouts or holes in it. And then they have Nitto Ridge Grapplers, 295/55 R20s on it. And they really do look quite awesome on this Jeep, I think. Give you guys a wider angle view. You can see inside here, this is kind of a neat touch. It does say Ready Lift in there. I think that's pretty cool. Go around, take a look at this thing from the back here. Does have a nice offset on the wheels. I mean, look at these things. Look how far they'll stick out. I think it's pretty cool myself. I think it's just about, if not the perfect look for a Jeep, in my opinion anyway. Of course, she has her gecko cover on the back. Little Canada sticker down here. There's a look from the driver's side. And in a minute, I'm going to pull it in the garage, and then we're going to do a measurement to compare it to the earlier measurement that I did to see just how much higher it actually is now. Pretty freaking cool. So let's go over and get Krista's opinion. It is her Jeep after all. So what do you think?
It is freaking awesome.
You like it?
Awesome.
You like it?
Awesome.
Is it what you expected?
More.
More?
Better.
Mo better?
Mo better.
Mo better?
Oh my God.
How about the ride so far? What do you think?
It's pretty good, actually.
Yeah?
It's solid.
That's good. You like the height?
Love it.
We're going to have to buy you a step ladder so you can get in and out of it?
No, you know what? It's actually fine.
Yeah?
It's actually fine. I was worried that the side steps I'd picked were not going to be low enough.
Yeah.
But it actually works just fine.
I think having it higher actually makes it easier to get in and out of. Different angle when you step in and out of it, you know?
Yeah, but this is just, I mean, go around to the front and look at that. Look at the front end. That is a beast.
It is a beast.
That is a beast. Look at that.
It's pretty cool.
It's awesome.
It's pretty cool.
It's
I think it came out really well.
Oh my God, it is awesome.
I think they did a fantastic job for sure.
And I love those wheels. They're perfect.
So you're
Old school with a little touch of modern.
I see. So you're quite happy with it?
Oh yes.
Okay, well that's all that matters. All right, we're going to pull it in, and I'm going to do one more measurement. I want to see just how much higher it is than it was before when I did that measurement before we took it in. So we're going to do that. All right, we're going to do a measurement here to see how much higher it is now. So I got the tape measure, and same thing as I did before. And I'll have to look back myself, but you guys can see it's right about 18 inches or so right there on the side steps. And let's take one more look at the back. I don't know if it's in far enough now to be able to measure that, but let's find out. Should be pretty close. There you go. And it looks like about 21¼ inches or so. About dead on anyway. So about 21¼ inches. I'll be curious rather to see how much higher it actually is than stock. So anyway, that's the lift. Hope you guys enjoyed. As usual, please click that subscribe button if you haven't before. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on the web. Have a good day. Bye.